Can a place be so hot that no life can survive? What if I told you there's a spot on our planet where the ground temperature reaches a scorching 70 degrees Celsius, or 159 degrees Fahrenheit? This isn't science fiction. It's the Lut Desert in Iran, home to the hottest point on Earth. Forget everything you know about Death Valley or Furnace Creek. Today, we're journeying to a place that redefines extreme heat, a vast expanse of salt and sand where even bacteria struggle to exist. This is Gandambarian, which translates to roasted wheat in Persian. The name itself comes from an ancient legend about a caravan that left wheat here, only to find it scorched by the sun days later. For years, scientists and explorers have been captivated by this desolate landscape. NASA's Aqua satellite confirmed our worst fears and wildest imaginations in 2005, recording a ground surface temperature of 70.7 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to cook an egg in minutes, and it's where our expedition is headed. The Lut Desert is immense, stretching 480 kilometers from north to south and 320 kilometers from east to west. It's a land of stark, otherworldly beauty, filled with geological wonders sculpted by wind and time. But Gandambarian is its most extreme feature. It's said that no living creature can survive here, not even the toughest desert animals. The heat is so intense, the air so dry, that life simply gives up. Is this true? Can a place on our own planet be truly sterile? That's what we're here to find out. Our mission is to push the limits, to venture into the heart of this natural furnace and document what we find. We've prepared extensively for this journey. Our vehicle is equipped with special tires to handle the extreme temperatures and rugged terrain. We're carrying gallons of water, specialized cooling gear, and medical equipment because out here, a small mistake can have fatal consequences. Dehydration and heat stroke are not just risks, they are near certainties without constant vigilance. As we drive deeper into the desert, the landscape transforms. The sandy dunes give way to a dark, gravelly plain covered in black volcanic rocks. This is the reason for the extreme heat. The dark surface absorbs solar radiation, turning the ground into a gigantic frying pan. The air shimmers, creating mirages that dance on the horizon. It feels like we've landed on another planet. The silence is profound, broken only by the hum of our engine and the crunch of gravel under our tires. We check our thermometers constantly. The air temperature is climbing steadily, passing 50 degrees Celsius, then 55, but it's the ground temperature that's truly shocking. Our infrared thermometer reads 65, then 68, then it hits the 70-degree mark. We have arrived at Gandambarian. Stepping out of the air-conditioned car is like walking into a blast furnace. The heat is a physical force, pressing in from all sides. Every breath feels like inhaling fire. Our protective gear is immediately put to the test. According to local legends and even some scientific reports, this area is devoid of all life. It's a biological dead zone. But is it really? We begin our search, scanning the ground for any sign of movement, any trace of life. We brought a powerful microscope to examine soil samples. For hours, we see nothing. No insects, no lizards, not even a single blade of grass. It seems the legends are true. The combination of blistering heat and extreme salinity makes this environment simply uninhabitable. But then we find something unexpected underneath a small, dark rock. Where the temperature is a few degrees lower than the exposed surface, we discover a sample of soil that looks different. We carefully collect it and place it under our field microscope. At first, nothing. But as we adjust the focus, we see it. Tiny, resilient microorganisms. A type of extremophile bacteria clinging to life in one of the most hostile environments on Earth. It's a groundbreaking discovery. Life in its most basic form has found a way. This proves that even in a place called roasted wheat, a place hot enough to sterilize most living things, life persists. These tiny bacteria have adapted in ways we are only beginning to understand, producing special proteins and compounds to protect themselves from the brutal heat and radiation. They challenge our definition of where life can exist, not just on Earth, but potentially on other planets with extreme conditions. As the sun begins to set, the temperature drops, but only slightly. The desert at night is just as alien and beautiful. The sky, free from light pollution, is an explosion of stars. Looking up at the cosmos from the hottest place on Earth is a humbling experience. It reminds us of how vast and mysterious our universe is, and how much we still have to explore right here on our own planet. Our expedition to Gandambarian was more than just an adventure. It was a scientific mission that yielded incredible results. We confirmed the extreme temperatures that make this place the hottest on Earth, but we also disproved the myth that it is completely lifeless. We pushed our physical and mental boundaries to bring you this story from the edge of endurance. The Lut Desert holds many more secrets, from its towering Kaletz massive sand formations carved by the wind to its mysterious salt flats. This is a land that continues to fascinate and challenge explorers. Our journey here has shown that with the right preparation and a spirit of discovery, we can uncover the wonders hidden in the most extreme corners of our world. It's a powerful reminder that life is tenacious, resilient, and can be found in the most unlikely of places. Thank you for joining us on this incredible expedition. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to follow 4 more adventures into the unknown.